Hello and welcome to this full free course in Blender where we'll create a simple yet powerful 2D face rig that you can wrap around your 3D characters. I will guide you through creating an easy to model low poly face with entirely procedural textures, but I'll also show you how to use image textures. Then I'll help you build an armature that uses a minimal number of bones but still allows for a wide range of expressions. I recorded this course live, so not only does it go through the process of making the 2D face and rig step by step, but it also contains my own mistakes and shows you how to fix them without losing your work or avoid them altogether. To support me and the free content on this channel, consider picking up the premium version. It's more in-depth and beginner-friendly, plus it comes with downloadable support materials and the final rigs. The ready-to-use eyes, mouth and nose rigs are also available separately for a small fee. Check the description below for purchase links. Now let's start with the first lesson. Either click on the thumbnail displayed here or navigate using the course playlist, link in the description.